Today we are going to discuss the activities and notes of chapter 6. Take page number 173 of your EVS textbook. Take page number 173 of your EVS textbook. Food we eat. Chapter 6. Food we eat. We eat 3 meals in a day at different times. Look at the pictures and name the meal. We eat 3 meals in a day at different times. Look at the pictures and name the meal. First one, observe the picture. It's 7 o'clock morning. So, it's breakfast. Next picture, it's 1 o'clock afternoon. Name of the meal is lunch. In the third picture, it's 7 o'clock. That is dinner. Okay, so the name of the meals. First one is breakfast. Second one lunch. Third one dinner. Okay. Next, B. Write 2 things you ate for these meals yesterday. Write 2 things you ate for these meals yesterday. First one is breakfast. Second, lunch. Third, dinner. First one, breakfast. Second, lunch. Third, dinner. In the given space, you just write 2 things that you ate for the meals yesterday. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay. B section, last question. Write 1 thing that you ate in between. Write 1 thing that you ate in between. So you already know the 3 main meals are breakfast, lunch and dinner. And the smaller meal in between these main meals are called snacks. So you must write 1 thing that you ate in between. Okay. Then C. Look at the pictures. Name the fruits and vegetables using words from the help box. Look at the pictures. Name the fruits and vegetables using words from the help box. See, in the help box, we have strawberries, mango, pineapple, beetroot, orange, tomato, pumpkin, brinjal. Children, please observe those pictures and write the correct names. So first one is orange. Second one, pineapple. Third one, strawberries. Fourth one, mango. Fifth one, tomato. Sixth one, brinjal. Seventh, pumpkin. Eighth one, beetroot. So please write the correct names. First one is, once again, first one is orange. Second, pineapple. Third one, strawberries. Fourth one, mango. Fifth one, tomato. Sixth one, brinjal. Seventh, pumpkin. ate beetroot. So please write neatly. Chapter 6, Food We Eat. Notes. New words. Energy, work, play, study, strong, healthy, fruits, vegetables, exercise, birds, animals, breakfast, lunch, dinner, morning, afternoon, evening, snacks, junk food. Energy, 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 energy. Work, 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 work. Play, PLAY, study, STUDY, study. Strong, STRONG, strong. Healthy, HEALTHY, healthy. Fruits, FRUITS, fruits. Vegetables, 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 vegetables. Exercise, EXERCISE, exercise. Birds, BIRDS, birds. Animals, ANIMALS, animals. Breakfast, BREAKFAST, breakfast. Lunch, LUNCH, lunch. Dinner, DINNER, dinner. Morning, MORNING, morning. Afternoon, AFTERNOON, afternoon. Evening, EVENING, evening. Snacks, SNACKS, snacks. Junk food, JUNKFOOD, junk food. Next one, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First question, food makes us strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and dash. Food makes us strong and healthy. Food makes us strong and healthy. Second one, we get dash from food. We get dash from food. We get energy from food. We get energy from food. Third one, milk and cheese help us dash strong. Milk and cheese help us dash strong. Milk and cheese help us grow strong. Okay. Fourth one, sugar, butter and potatoes gives us dash. Sugar, butter and potatoes gives us energy. Gives us energy. Fifth one, the first meal of the day is called dash. The first meal of the day is called breakfast. Sixth one, dash are small meals in between. Dash are small meals in between. Snacks. Snacks are small meals in between. Next one, write true for the correct statement and false for the wrong statement. First one, we need food to grow strong. First one is, we need food to grow strong. It's a true statement, so please write true. Second one, fruits and vegetables are not good for us. Fruits and vegetables are not good for us. It's a false statement. It's wrong, so you just write false. Fruits and vegetables are actually good for us. Here the statement is fruits and vegetables are not good for us. So it's a wrong statement, so please write false. Third one, milk and cheese help us grow strong. Milk and cheese help us grow strong. It's a true statement. So please write true. Fourth one, we should avoid junk food. We should avoid junk food. Yes, it's true statement. We should avoid junk food. Then fifth one, all our food comes from animals. All our food comes from animals. It's a wrong statement, so please write false. The main source of food are from plants and animals. Here the statement is all our food comes from animals. So it's false. Okay, so please write false. Next one, match the following. Match the following. A part is first one breakfast, second lunch, third dinner and fourth one snacks. So match the following: A part breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks. B part is evening, small meals, morning, afternoon. B part is evening, small meals, morning, last one is afternoon. So please match the correct one. The first one, breakfast. You just match it with morning. Breakfast, meal in the morning. Then lunch, match with afternoon. Then dinner, evening. Please match that one. Dinner to evening. Then snacks, small meals. Snacks to small meals. Okay. Next one is answer the following. Answer the following. First question, what are some kinds of healthy food? What are some kinds of healthy food? Fruits, vegetables, milk, nuts, and grains are some kinds of healthy food. Fruits, vegetables, milk, nuts, and grains are some kinds of healthy food. Okay, so what are healthy food? Fruits, vegetables, milk, nuts, and grains are some kinds of healthy foods. Second question, how do milk and cheese help us? How do milk and cheese help us? Milk and cheese help us grow strong. Milk and cheese help us grow strong. Third question, name some foods which gives us energy. Name some foods which gives us energy. Answer, sugar, butter and potatoes are some foods which give us energy. Name some foods which gives us energy. Sugar, butter and potatoes are some foods which give us energy. Fourth question, name some foods that come from plants. Name some foods that come from plants. Answer, vegetables, fruits, grains, pulse and nuts come from plants. Vegetables, fruits, grains, pulses and nuts come from plants. Fifth one, write the name of your favorite food. Fifth one is write the name of your favorite food. Which is your favorite food? You just write that name of that food. Okay, write the name of your favorite food. These are the question answers. And the next one is an activity for you. That is, paste the pictures of some fruits and vegetables in your notebook. Paste the pictures of some fruits and vegetables in your notebook. Okay, you can paste some fruits in one page and in another page you can paste the pictures of some vegetables. Okay, so please complete this work very neatly. Thank you.